Windows is getting a packet manager. What's a packet manager? A packet manager, according to Wikipedia, is a packet manager or packet management system is a collection of software tools that automates the process of installing, upgrading, configuring, and removing computer programs from a computer's operating system in a consistent manner. Let's jump in and have a look at WinGet. So first of all, we have to install it. This link will be in the comments below. So we have three options to install WinGet. You can choose any of these really. One I always go for is the Windows App Installer, which is the first one. It needs to be on Windows 10 version 1809 or higher. So we click that link, takes us to the App Installer update. You just need to get this installed. Okay, now that's installed, we can download the AppX bundle. Once this is installed, this will install the WinGet application to your computer. Okay, so that's installed now. Now we can open Windows Console or Command Prompt. Type in WinGet. We're now going to install the Windows terminal using WinGet. Just going to go back and put in some speech marks. Hit enter, and it will go off, find that package, download it, then install it. And we're done. So we close this down. Go and find Windows Terminal, which is at the top there. We open it up, and we have Windows Terminal. Super easy. Okay, so let's take a look at WinGet search. We just type it in on its own, it brings back every single application that's currently available to WinGet. This is getting added to all the time, and you can add your own as well. So there's a few examples there. So we're going to look for VS Code. We can see it's come up there, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. We're going to highlight it and copy it. And I'm going to say install, paste it in, hit return. It will go off, download it. And start the installation for us. And you can see Visual Studio Code opens. Installed. We can use the WinGet list command to see what's installed on the machine. If you want to see what we can upgrade, we can type WinGet upgrade, and it'll come back with a list of things we can upgrade. We can then type WinGet upgrade all, and it'll upgrade them all. So the next command I'm going to look at here is WinGet export, which allows you to install all the apps on the machine to a file. You can then take it to another machine and use that file to import and install those apps on that machine. So I've switched over to another virtual machine, which is completely blank. I have pre-installed WinGet on it already. I'm just going to show you here that there isn't any Visual Studio Code or Git or anything like that previously installed. And then we're going to go and install it. I'm just going to show the WinGet help again. And then we're going to type in WinGet import WinGet. WinGet is just a file name that I used. It can be any file name. This is copied over from the other machine. And we hit return, and it will start the process of pulling each application down and installing it for us. So in the interest of time, I'm going to fast forward to the end of this process, and we will come back shortly. So Visual Studio has just finished installing, and as you can see, it's opening. And now we have the applications that were installed on the other machine installed on this machine. So it makes moving machines and installing all your applications fairly painless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's been useful. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the thumb, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.